Hello everyone, we are back with another video, and today we are gonna be trolling others like being a new YouTubers. So I am Dream, obviously the 10 million IQ player. Aryav is PewDiePie, Pewds, and Arav as his obvious name, not Mr. Beast. So let's get started. Okay, so we have taken our actual colors and whatever we wear. Arav couldn't get. So, Dream is a 10 million IQ player.
Okay, I have scanned.
I have.
I will kill you in the next game. Watch me scan.
Okay, I have prime shields. Okay.
Can you watch me scan? Two people are watching me scan right now.
Okay, I'm coming. This speed is so slow. So, guys, we have to set up everything as an. My friend just killed me.
Arya?
My friend just killed me.
Betting green scan.
Okay, all of us are clear except you. Because we just know that my friend killed me equals he killed you.
Okay, so guys, I'm really feeling bad. So, just want you guys to go down, like, and subscribe.
That's illegal to say, Vishwa.
Sorry, bro, sorry.
Vishwa, this is illegal.
Okay, this is illegal from now onwards. I said it by mistake. Sorry. But PewDiePie, how could you have done that?
And Arya voted him.
Because Vishwa is such a big cheater. This was my game, and you are a big cheater, Vishwa.
I thought I was
You
on
will
me.
not get any subscribers if you start cheating like this.
Okay, I'll not do that. But guys, please go down and like and subscribe.
No, guys, don't subscribe. Don't subscribe.
Subscribe to Gaming House.
You have to pay this gang.
Sub to Gaming House 7. I just hit 100 subs.
Yeah, sub to him. He's gonna reach 200, but he just reached 100. And he's stuck on 104, lol.
Guys, I'll make a YouTube channel and subscribe. You don't even have 30 subs. My father will help me, Papa said today.
I don't know what they're doing. I'm just doing my boring task. Actually, I'm gonna follow. See who is the imposter. Okay, I'm following yellow. Yellow sus. Kinda sus. Okay, no. Fixing O2. Not Mr. Be safe. Purple. Okay. I'm gonna follow. Okay. This guy. Arav, where are you?
What?
Where are you? I sus you.
I'm in weapons. I also have asteroids. See me to asteroids. You are drive stuff.
Okay, bye. Okay, one guy died. Okay, I don't even need to talk. I am a ghost. Okay, I'll let them
Purple
do it.
green, dark green scan. So I think it's yellow.
Cyan has also left. And black also. Okay, so I think so. He took out on him.
Vishwa, you are don't subscribe to his channel, guys. He's a big cheater.
Stop it.
That is. Stop it, bro. I did it by mistake.
You are bad. You are a very bad guy.
I thought. Okay,
You are the-
purple is scanning. Purple scanned. Purple scanned.
We know purple, dark green, and I scan. We all saw each other scan. Oh! Sam literally killed me.
Yeah. Hello, Cyan, queen. You're not a queen.
We are
He
really
just vented, or she just vented.
sorry. Okay, now my body is going to be reported.
1 second. How is that possible? 1 second.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. V, OK, and Haidar.
Did black scan?
No. I don't know, but we are dead.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell who was the first.
We know it. It's
It was
Queen.
Cyan.
We know
Fine,
it.
we know it's Cyan. He killed me.
Yeah, we saw it.
She is the queen and you are the king.
Oh my god!
Very good. You just took out an innocent person who scanned.
Now I'm gonna sabotage reactor meltdown. Reactor
Okay, guys. We should
That's what you get for cheating. That's what you get for cheating.
I'm actually pretty happy we should be honest.
That's what you get for cheating. That's what you get for
Snap join.
Name, are you gonna be snap now?
I said lol, Vishu cheated and still lost.
Okay, I'm starting.
Not problem.
Sorry.
Arey, where is Name playing his
No, someone took line. No.
Wait, why are you cheater?
because you guys, because Vishnu told you.
Yeah.
I was killed by Cyan.
So you were so why did I get
Crewmate. Seriously? To clear my me, I have scanned.
Come see me to asteroid.
I have scanned.
I'll just call a meeting and
You don't see me, my.
I also have.
Orange is doing it. Orange is doing it.
Yeah. So I also have scan. I also have scan.
I don't have any visual task.
I think Arav is tough.
5, 7, 3, 4, 8. Yeah, just because I said that I'll vote you out and stuff. Very good.
You are very tough, Arav. I'm telling you.
Listen, Mr. Beast can
You are the most tough guy. We have so many tasks and you don't have a single of them which is visual.
I have prime shields and scan.
It's fine stuff.
Can you give me one of your visual tasks? Fishbug. What? What's
Is
the code? Have you started the game? Yeah.
Yes.
You keep on playing your mech arena.
yeah.
That I said someone muted me.
Lie.
Whom?
It's white.
Don't you dare accuse me. Listen, I know the imposter is. It's Aryav and Arav.
I did asteroid.
And I have scan.
You never did it. I'm gonna vote out you.
What? Oh, I have killed and you are sitting.
Okay.
The lol Aryav.
Okay. Now we are gonna go and
Now it will kill me.
see me scan, bro.
Okay, it's a hashtag PewDiePie has no power.
See me scan. See me scan.
Okay, I can see you do your shield because I'm for the because I'm navigation.
Now never kill me.
Okay, Arif, I'm just gonna show it to you.
Yeah, I'm just going to shield. I'm in navigation, and if you kill me, Brown has a witness. Okay, John Jacob is doing.
We can stay together.
Yeah, I'm just gonna show Arif prime shields. I'm gonna keep my mid base scan. Oh my gosh! I just saw Brown kill in front of me. Brown. He killed Arav. He killed Mr. Beast. He killed Mr. Beast.
B and
Brown Kilele, very good Arya, very good English. Brown Kilele.
Kilele is when you rest. Yeah, about what? Brown. Have a great. Bishop, we can stay together. We do.
Arya, what did you do? Bishop killed me. Just kidding, he didn't.
I didn't scan.
Literally. Bishop, let's stay together. Where are you?
Yeah, I am here. I am going to medbay to. I'm inspecting sample. I'm gonna inspect my samples. Come on, let me in.
Wait for me. Bishop, wait for me.
Arya will never search anyone because whoever he searches, the person dies. And Arya gets
John Jacob is sus. John Jacob is about to kill me. Oof, I'm about to die.
You can't be in front of so many people. Chill.
Where are you going?
I'm going to scam. I have read the comments and they say the tasks are boring, so I need to watch on canvas.
What do you mean by comment?
Yeah, I read.
I'm literally seeing someone scan. Should I tell this who?
Who?
Scan comment scanning.
Zion is scanning. Zion scans.
Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna die. I'm about to die.
Orange just teleported.
Yeah.
What is Orange doing? Is he a hacker?
No, he's glitching. He's lagging.
Yellow stuff. Yellow stuff. He is just standing on a bed.
John Jacob. It's been a long round.
What is Orange doing? I don't understand. He's teleporting. I don't.
I have only 2 tasks left, but we are never gonna win by tasks.
You should reduce the task.
Guys, I give you one hint. Call a meeting and cross out all the people who are cleared. And then you'll definitely know who the imposter is.
But I don't have any emergency.
Oh yeah.
Vishal,
I don't want to waste it. I'm the only one who has a meeting left.
so do it.
Wait, is green safe? I'm with
I'm following dark green right now.
Okay. I was doing calibrate distributor.
3 of you are cleared. Just write that 3 of you are cleared. Only dark green, John Jacob and orange are unclean.
I think so. Let's take out orange. Orange sus. Because how can someone teleport?
I think it's green.
And guys, right now just pause the video, go to Gaming on 7 and
First, sub to me. Obviously, I'm the one making the video.
But if Mr. Beast was not in the gang, the video would have like 1 minute.
Let's go, guys. I told you it was yellow.
The noobs do a great job.
Hey, I have the 10 million IQ brain. Okay.
Reduce the task.
No, they always keep these many tasks.
अरे यार don't mute me, तुम्हारा game खत्म हो गया यार don't नमे
Oh my gosh.
Don't you know English?
नमे with the perfect Hindi and even I left the game because of it.
Everything is gone. The whole thing is gone.
नमे made a very funny accent in between of an English video.
Yeah.
अरे यार वो डार्क कैसे हो? So funny. Because you started the game.
Okay, I'm gonna make a new game. And guys, I'll be back after. Okay, Aryav, leave. I'm giving a new code. Okay.
If you say Hindi again, even I can see Vishak is stealing right now. You ruin all of my videos because of your Hindi.
Okay, join guys.
Hindi God.
Guys, we'll be back after they all join. Okay guys, Name has joined and his name is not Chris. So we are starting the game again.
And Vishak and Name are looking naked. They don't even have a hat.
We are not like you, okay? We are big brains.
Are you serious? Okay. Vishak, why did you decrease the task?
No, Okay.
Cleared.
I have weapons. Weapons. Oh, weapons.
I just looking like a
I'm saying with not Chris. I'm saying with not Chris because he is also safe.
Okay, I can save myself. I have weapons. Come and see me.
Okay, now just go to Asteroid.
I am in weapons.
Ah! Okay, I found a body.
Okay, I came from weapons from the communication side.
I think so. The guy after this kill is black.
Black?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm putting black then. Because I saw red was with one Asteroid. I'm putting black.
Yeah.
So you do Asteroids and I can stay with you.
Yeah.
First we are voting out black. Lol guys, we won. Me and red were the imposters. Thank you.
You were an imposter with who? Okay, we are just gonna wait.
I said blue in captain and you name.
We sussed you out because I think black also had the visual task because like the number of tasks you have like 10 tasks. There has
Okay,
to
now
be
he has to decrease the task, Mr. Taneja.
the area is gone.
Lol. Lol.
Okay, I need to keep a record of who is safe because this is getting so irritating.
Are you kidding me? Will you do that actually?
Yeah, I want to keep a record of who's safe.
Okay. I also used to do that 1 or 2 or 3 months ago. I'm gonna do it on my.
Why hasn't Namay joined? And Arya, please take purple.
Arya, please take purple. Among Us safe.
Okay, guys, I think so. No one is joining, so I'll end the video here. Hope you enjoyed my video and go down, subscribe, and like. Okay, bye.